Hi everybody, this is Suzanne Hiron from Mimi Papyrus. In this week's tip, I want to help you find your inspiration. Let's get started. This week I wanted to give you some ideas of where to find your inspiration for a card. So I found these on Pinterest. These are called card sketches, and a lot of demonstrators and stampers just use them to get started on their projects. So you can see there's a variety of sketches online that you can find to inspire you. I picked one this week to show you how different you can make a card with the same sketch. So this is the sketch I found. I measured it. It was the same size as a regular card base. So I put in the measurements and I made a couple of cards with it. So this is one of the cards. I used designer series paper. I layered my middle stamped image, and I used this for the sentiment on the bottom. So this is a masculine card that's probably going to be used for Father's Day. And this is the exact same card sketch that turns out so different. This is more of the designer series paper, but I layered it on a piece of cardstock. I pulled the colors from the base and the paper. Then I added a few little jewels and I cut out my berries. So it's the same layout, same sketch, but two completely different cards. Then you can always find inspiration in the Stampin' Up! Catalog. So when you open up the catalog, there's tons of ideas here of people who made cards, the designers that work for Stampin' Up! That create all these lovely projects for you to find inspiration from. So for example, look at this. This uses a technique. You cut out one of the images. You use the blender brush. You can use the embossing folders. Tons of ideas to inspire your creative juices. So I hope this helps. It's a little tip to get you started on your journey to make some cards. Thanks for being here. See you next time.